Fireworks! July 4th! Oh god, it might be loud, guys. Oh! Yo! That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Fireworks are, oh! It smells like smoke. I wonder why.
Woo! What was that one? What was that?
Oh, this is so cool. Oh! Bowling! Oh! I'm sorry for all the headphone users. Sorry for all the headphone users.
There's a bunch over there right now, dude.
Oh. Trees. Trees. How dare trees? Trees! Boing boing! Okay. Are we ready? Okay, you probably can't see, but it's there. Okay, ready, guys? Oh no. Oh no. Yo! There wasn't a, I mean, that was cool. There just wasn't a blow at the end. I was expecting a blow at the end. Oh god, it's smoke.
They see what?
Smoke. Smoke. Do you guys see the smoke? Smoke! Smoke! That's a lot of smoke. That is a lot of smoke. It is like, the time is currently, like 10. So, yeah. What do we have here? We have, what is this? Happy 16. Boom, boom. Boom. Ah, I got you. Oh, that's a lot. Yo, that's a lot. Yo. Oh! Yo. Look at all. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh! I don't know if you guys can see all the smoke over there, but there's a lot of smoke. Holy crap. What? Ah. There's a firefly. Ah. Go away. I don't know if that's a firefly. Fireflies are usually slow. They're like, wee. Well, the other one's like, gas, gas. We have the load. Okay, guys. We have the car. We have the car that is coming. Shoo, shoo. Goodbye. Go bye-bye, car. Whee! Bye. You guys can't see the car because, well, I mean, it is dark, but license plates still. Oh! Whee! Oh! Yo! Yo! We set off these ones. Boing! Pow. Pow, Shazam, Kawaka, pow. That was cool. Again, I'm sorry for all the headphone users. I don't know if that's like very loud. Oh, there's some smoke too. Blah. Ugh, the smell of smoke. Ew.
Smell keeps those bugs away, though.
Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm gonna record it over here. Usually when I do vlogs, I usually cut the video sometimes, but no, you're gonna watch the full experience. Oh, ooh! No, I'm backing away actually. my ears. Okay.
That was disappointing.
Yeah, that was disappointing. I mean, the only thing I see is smoke. Interesting. The fireworks? The fireworks? Or the fireworks? Maybe? No? Maybe? I see no fireworks. Oh, that's sad. No. Okay, there's my foot for you guys. My foot. Hi. You can see my foot. Okay. Ugh.
Vindicator epic.
Yeah, the smoke. Yeah. Why?